What's up, everybody? I want to start with this. I think I already cleared it, right? Testing, testing. Okay. I want to start with this. There's been a lot of happenings. There's been a lot of happenings on the on the Melami front lately. So I've been. This game has been really, really fresh in my memory,
Okay, cool.
and I'm pretty happy about that. I really, really, really hope that they come out with a sequel once that they realize that there's a lot of interest
So
in it
you're the
still.
one who took my job. My watch is broken, my guitar strings broke, my costume has wrinkles, and I don't get any messages on my beeper. All
Because of you.
Say,
Say
Bill,
what?
let's see who's the better guitarist. I'm really in a hurry. Maybe some other day. Hey,
Hey,
wait!
wait! Get back here! I know the dialogue to this game by memory because I
Thanks.
played it probably
Hey!
hundreds of times, and I'm not kidding. You can clear the game like in an hour though. It's more of a playable music album,
Around
right?
the corner. Uh-huh. That's why we have to get going right now. How does this look? Well, what about this one?
So they unearthed a whole ass new version of this game, which was thought to be lost to time. So it was unearthed and documented and all that.
How do you make a poster? The band's logo's gotta be really big. My picture doesn't have to stand out. Oh, come on.
Unfortunately, so I heard that the voice actor for Catty,
They're all here.
for the cat character there, so unfortunately she passed, which is pretty sad.
I'm really, really sorry. I got caught up in a
But
lot
we
of
can
things.
remember her through the
Okay, this is it.
beautiful sonic
Okay.
waves.
Oh yeah, Milk Can is always on my mind.
Yo, I love how Lamidon's eyeshadow in this level. When I was a teenager, that was like the sexiest shit ever. Oh shit, she's wearing blue eyeshadow, right? I remember that the loading screens, the different loading screens per level, so I remember that I found that really, really cool. She's on the border now!
Shedding tears, all is real near. Try to shift into gear. That's when I see you coming. Prevent me from running. Get up, trying to psych myself. 'Cause it doesn't work with no one else. All of this hype all around. Seems like a waste of time. From uptown to midtown.
Trying to get downtown!
But I'm
Not getting close, I'm just running around.
always at my best. Giving it my best. I don't need no rights. It's my test now.
I gotta get out. Nah, cutting corners. Look at them, they're so fucking cute together. Now.
I'm facing all the problems that are get me. I don't really wanna spend the time seeing all of this hype all around. Seems like a waste of time.
give you everybody something. And it's unique. Got to move. It's the groove. I gotta go on. I gotta get on. Oh, that's freaking bullshit, dude.
I didn't expect you to do this bad.
I did well for the whole song. The problem with the system in this game is that it's kind of primitive for, for music games. So it's got this whole thing where you can freestyle, and as long as you stay on beat, you'll get points. With me from running. Down, trying to get downtown. Nah, cutting corners. So it works exactly like Parappa, but you're playing guitar now, right? But I don't want to waste the time, see? All of this hype around seems like a waste of time. Let me give you everybody something. In life, you just can't get going around the corners. I voice my best. Give it my best. There we go. Out on stage. He's so cute. Alright. Jam. Thanks, everyone. There we go. I love this game, by the way. So it's been really fresh in my mind again because they discovered the arcade version. It was a very thick time, the heat of my heart, it was an idiot time, I was falling apart. I knew from the start it was gonna be rough, but not. So the artist is Rodney Greenblatt. So apparently he's still rather famous. So he's one of those artists who, they've been doing their thing for 20 years, and somehow they're recognized still, like Kid Haring and all that, right? So he has like this funny, abstract art style that's really, you know, colorful. So the art style is really distinct in this game. So they came out. So the game is about a band that's coming out with a new album because they want to make it. But actually, somehow, well, they had to actually produce an album, and you can actually purchase the Milkan album. That's the soundtrack for the game. It's the Make It Sweet CD. And so there's 7 tracks, and each track has a B-side with Parappa. So Parappa also sings, right? Well, he raps to the songs, and it's pretty cool that they did all of that, right? So yeah, so there's a massive amount of cutscenes that have never seen the light of day, and somehow they just were on they just were on cover just now. Un ya ya Rami, un Yarami, it says there, un Yarami. So parapa is para parapa y un Jimelami is un Yarami. So it's an amazing game. I really recommend everyone to play it. So let's play.